How to fix login errors in TripAdvisor. First, before anything, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, however you prefer. And by doing so, while you log in, and by doing so the next time you log in, the next time you log in into your account, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if you're still struggling with the login, you're going to simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the TripAdvisor application. Tap and hold on to the application and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache and simply click on Clear Cache at the bottom of your screen. And if you want to delete your files, you can click on Clear Storage. And by doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.